Nowadays, everyone is using ChatGPT, but what does GPT actually mean and what does it really stand for? It stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Let's do a breakdown of each term so we can fully understand what they mean. So let's look at generative. This actually indicates the model's ability to be able to create original human-like content based on the input it receives. This will be things such as human-like text, code, stories, and even images. The next term is pre-trained. So before these models are actually able to perform their tasks for users like ourselves, it undergoes some very intensive training. This intensive training phase actually utilizes a massive data set which comes from a bunch of diverse sources such as websites, books, and articles. This allows the model to pick up on patterns, grammar, and context. The final term is transformer. This is the specific deep learning model architecture that has basically revolutionized natural language processing. I also have a video actually on my page regarding transformers and how they work, so if you want you can go check that out. But very quickly I'll actually go ahead and explain what the transformer does. So when you've presented it with a large amount of text, the architecture of the transformer is actually able to digest the text, look for relationships between words whilst finding meaning, and it doesn't actually lose the context. So whatever is said on line 1 will be captured all the way up till, for example, line 30 and so on. This makes it possible for us to understand the relationships between words even when they are far apart within a text. And that is essentially what GPT stands for. So this is a type of LLM that a lot of us are using every day. And it's very important for us to actually be able to understand what do these things actually mean and how do they work.